Good morning everyone. Today we are looking at a special camera. It's all about the K&F concept surveillance camera for just under 150 euros. It's great that this camera is available in two different colors, black and white. And now you can find out what I can tell you about this camera after 3 months of testing. Of course, the camera is included, but not a micro SD card, which you can find in the video description below, and a solar panel, so the camera can be supplied with power independently. The camera contains a 14,400 mAh lithium-ion battery, which will not run out in a month despite continuous use. If you want to be on the safe side, you can run the camera on a power bank or use the solar panel, which has a 3-meter cable and leads into the camera via micro USB at the end. I have a Fritzbox router at home, which is connected to the camera via Wi-Fi. The maximum distance with a house in between was just under 30 meters, which the signal held. If you want to hang the camera in your allotment garden and have a live picture, you can use a mini Wi-Fi router with a SIM card, for example, so that you can always know what's going on in your garden. You can find such a router in the video description. Now for the operation. The user instructions are very simple. Simply download the Cloud Edge app to your smartphone, follow the instructions and connect the camera to your Wi-Fi, for instance at work or at home. I left the push notifications on inside the app so that you're always informed as soon as something moves in front of your house. You can even set how sensitive the camera should react so that you don't get a notification anytime a leaf or a bird flies by. In the app you have the option of using a calendar to see exactly what time something has happened in front of the camera. I have a 64 GB micro SD memory card in the camera, and it saves a short video sequence or a photo every time something happens. If you want to see a live picture, nothing is easier. You can even rotate the camera 355 degrees and tilt it 120 degrees. There's even a microphone and a loudspeaker. So if you catch someone outside your house, you can, for example, speak into your smartphone that the police are on their way. If you're on holiday with your smartphone and don't have a good connection to the internet, you can also reduce the quality to get a live picture. Otherwise, the camera records during the day in color and full HD, and even at night the camera delivers fantastic images. I give it full marks because everything you need to monitor your property is included. The screws for the solar panel and an ultra long cable, so the camera can also hang in the shade if the sunny side is on the other side of the house. The performance at night is amazingly good and the app is really easy to use. The camera also does a good job in a bad weather thanks to IP66. If you want to actively support my channel, you can find the camera in the video description. Feel free to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. See you very soon und tschüss.